Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Academia Ambala. Today, I will discuss an activity related to unit number 9. Now, you all must be knowing that whenever we want to have anything, to buy anything, we have to go to a market. Now, in the market, we can see so many shops, and whenever we buy anything, we are given a bill from the shopkeeper, which is a type of a warranty also. Now, suppose if you have invited few friends at home and you have asked them to come for a party. Now, you would like to have few eatables that you can serve them and have a great party at home. So, you decide to go to a confectionery shop where you can get the things of your choice. So, when you reach to the confectionery, you give order of few things. For example, cake, pizza and pastry. Now, you have to have the quantity, that how much you want to give it to your friends, how many of them are required to share. So, you have ordered the shopkeeper to give you the particular things that you can see on them on the screen. So here you can see cake. You want two cake. The cost of one cake is rupees 180. So when you have to buy two, the cost is 360. Pizza, it costs rupees 220. Pastry, there are four pastries and each pastry is of 80 rupees. So four of them will cost 320. So when you have to pay the money to the shopkeeper, you ask for the bill and the shopkeeper has given you the bill and he has asked you to pay rupees 1000 and you simply took out 1000 note and you have given it to the shopkeeper. Now when you return back to home and you inform your parents that you have spent rupees 1000, so they ask you the question that what is the total cost of all the items according to the shopkeeper? The answer is rupees 1000. But then, what is the correct amount to be paid? So here you have to be very wise. Whenever a shopkeeper is giving you a bill, you have to cross check it. It is rupees 900. And then there is another question. What will be the cost of two pastries according to the price list? One is equal to how much and then two of them how much they are going to pay. So you have to calculate it. Now I'll give you a small activity that your parents, whenever they are going to buy anything from the shop, you have to just observe that bill and then you have to make that bill in your notebook. By that, you will be having an idea that what all are the important things in the bill. I hope you will try to make it and get through the importance of bill. Thank you so much.